that in which month the school academic session should start. So that month we have to specify for every school. In the 6th point, we are asking whether any textbook is received in current academic year up to 30th September by the school, whether the school has received any textbook from the state government or district, whoever provides the study material, whoever provides the textbook to the school, whether they had received any textbook in the current academic year up to 30th September. You have to specify yes or no. If you had received, you will specify yes. If not received, you will specify no. If the school has received the textbooks, then we are asking, when was the textbook received in the current academic year? In which month? In which year? You have to specify that year and month. In the 7th point, we are asking availability of textbook, teaching learning equipment and play material grade wise. Grade wise means for every class. If the school is from class 1 to class 8, then for every grade, every class, we are asking whether complete set of textbook received. For grade 1, you have to specify yes or no. For grade 2, you have to specify yes or no. For grade 3, grade 4, up to grade 8, you have to specify whether every grade had received complete set of textbooks or not. If yes, then specify 1. If no, then specify no, 2. The second point, we are asking whether teaching learning equipment is available for each grade. For class 1 to 8, for every grade you have to specify yes or no. Similarly, whether play material, games and sports material equipment is available for each grade, yes or no. For example, class 1, they are having a particular play material, they will specify yes. For grade 2, they don't have the play material or games or sports equipment, they will specify no. Class 3, they are having that particular material, they will specify yes. So for every grade you have to specify the information in yes or no. Now the next page, 4th page of the data capture format, that is physical facilities and equipment, in which we are first, this page was already available in the previous year also, so this is not a new page. The first variable in this particular page is status of school building, where we have to specify the status of the current school building, whether it is a private school building, rented school building, whether it is a government school building, or whether it is a government school running in a rent-free building, or the school does not have a building. Then you have to specify code 5. If the building is there but the condition is dilapidated, then you have to specify code 6. If the school building is there but it is under construction, then you have to specify the code number 7. These two options, dilapidated and under construction, were in the previous year also, but this year you can specify these informations whether the status of the school building is dilapidated or under construction. The second point we are asking is details of classrooms and other rooms. For each and every details related with the classrooms. The classrooms, we are treating only those classrooms which are used for instructional purpose, in which the teaching learning method is going on. And other rooms are treated those rooms which are not used for teaching but which can be used as a sports room, headmaster's room, staff room, common room. Those rooms can be treated as other rooms, other than rooms which are where the teaching learning process is going on. And this information is not to be filled by the schools not having building. If the school is not having a building, then they cannot specify this information. Here first we are asking total classrooms used for instructional purpose. Total number of classrooms used for instructional purpose. Again, remember that this information is to be provided only where the elementary education is imparting. The classes for class 1 to 8, we don't have to specify the classrooms used for teaching the classes for 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will be capturing information only up to class 8, elementary education. So total number of classrooms used for instructional purpose for elementary education. Similarly, total number of other rooms also. Now, out of these total number of classrooms which is used for instructional purpose, we have to specify the condition of classrooms. How many classrooms, in which condition? There are three types of condition in data capture format. Classrooms in good condition, classrooms requiring minor repair, and classrooms requiring major repair. That too we have to specify according to the type of building block. One school can have two type of building block or multiple type of building block. For example, one school is having one pakka building block and one partially pakka building block. So in that pakka building block, how many classrooms are in good condition and how many classrooms need minor repair and how many classrooms need major repair. Similarly, you have to specify the information for other rooms also, and after that we are asking number of classrooms under construction. These are the variables which are in the previous year also, so we will not emphasize more on these variables, but we will read out that. Land available for additional classrooms, whether yes or no, whether the land is available for additional classrooms or not. Separate room for head teacher or principal is available in the school or not. Number of blackboards including whiteboard and green board. How many number of blackboards are there? Number of classrooms having blackboard for students at the ground level. You have to specify the total number of blackboards. In the next point we are asking total number of toilets. We are asking for toilet information except urinals. We will not count urinals in that. And this information we have to capture for boys separately, total number of boys toilets separately, total number of toilets for girls separately, total number of common toilets and total toilets. Total of boys, girls and common toilet. How many number of toilet seats are available and out of those how many are in functional. We have to specify that. Point 9, where we are asking source of drinking water facility of the school. If it is hand pump, then you have to specify 1. If it is well, then you have to specify 2. Tap water 3, others 4. And if the drinking water source of drinking water facility is not available in the school, then you have to specify 5. Part of this question also contains whether the drinking water facility is functional in the school. You have to specify yes or no. Now, status of electricity connection in the school, you have to specify if it is there. If the electricity connection is there, then you have to specify yes. If it is not there, you have to specify no. If the connection is there but it is not functional, then you have to specify 3. Similarly, for the point number 11, we are asking about the type of boundary wall, whether it is pakka but broken, partially pakka, or barbed wire hedges, no boundary wall, others, partial boundary wall is there, or boundary wall is under construction. Each and every option has been given a code. You have to specify that code. The 12th point which we had added this year in the data capture format is whether school has library. Yes or no, you have to specify. If the school library is there, then you have to specify the total number of books in the school library. 13th point we are asking for, does the school subscribe for newspaper or magazine? Then you have to specify yes. If the school is having the facility of getting the magazine or newspaper, daily newspaper, then you have to specify 1. Otherwise, you have to specify 2 for no. 14th point that was already available in the data capture format, whether the playground is available or not. We had added additional option in this. If the playground is not available, then whether the land is available for developing playground or not for the school. You have to specify yes or no. 15th point, we are asking total number of computers available in the school, and out of those total number of computers available, how many computers are functional. 16th point, we are asking, does the school have computer aided learning facility? You have to specify in yes or no. Similarly, whether the medical checkup of the students were conducted last year. Again, you have to specify yes or no. 18th point, which was already there, we are asking ramps for disabled children is there or not, yes or no. We have added a new option in this. If the ramps are available, then we are asking whether handrails for ramp is available or not. You have to again specify yes or no. In 19th and 20th point, we are asking furniture for teachers and furniture for students. 21st point, which is a new inclusion in this data capture format, where we are asking whether measured campus plan is prepared or not. You have to specify yes or no. In the next page, 5th page of the data capture format, where midday meal information has to be quoted, and that information has to be filled by the government schools and government aided schools only. First, we are asking what is the status of the midday meal, whether the midday meal is provided or not applicable, not provided, provided and prepared in school premises, provided but not prepared in school premises. You have to specify the status of the midday meal. If the midday meal is provided and prepared in the school premises, then you have to specify the status of the kitchen shed, whether the kitchen shed is available or not available, under construction, or any classroom is used as a part of kitchen shed. In the same, we are asking number of cook cum helpers available, and that too gender wise, male female. How many male cook members, cook cum helpers are available, or how many female cook cum helpers are available for MDM, midday meal. Second option in this question is, if MDM is provided but not prepared in the school premises, then we have to provide a source of the MDM. From where does the school gets the MDM? From nearby school, or from any NGO, or from any self-help group, or PTA, MTA, or any other organization, or Gram Panchayat. Second point which we are asking in this data capture format in MDM is, did the school receive the one-time kitchen device grant? Whether the school received any one-time kitchen device grant. So if they received, you have to specify 1, yes. If not received, then you have to specify 2, not received. Third point is number of students. These are the new inclusions. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th are the new inclusions in the data capture format for this year. Number of students opted for midday meal during the last academic year. How many boys and girls separately opted for midday meal? You have to specify that in the previous academic year. Total number of meals served during the previous academic year. Total number of meals for MDM served during the previous academic year. 5th is number of days on which MDM was served to the students. We have to specify the number of days. 6th is number of inspections made by the supervisory officials during the previous academic year. You have to specify the number of inspections. Then 7th point is number of inspections made by the community members for verification or for watching that MDM scheme. Number of inspections made by the community members during the previous academic year, you have to specify. This teachers format, most of the variables are as it is, as it was in 2019. Some of the definitions has been changed, which can also be specified in your data capture format from the state level. But we will read out those variables. Serial number is as it is. You have to specify the name of the teacher, gender of the teacher, date of birth of the teacher, teacher's category, whether it is a regular teacher, head teacher, acting head teacher, part-time instructor, those type of teacher. In category, you have to specify the social category, which was in the previous data capture format, it was termed as category of the teacher, whether this is a general teacher, SC teacher, ST teacher, OBC teacher. In the we are asking year of joining in present service. You have to specify the year of joining, when the particular teacher became a teacher in the department, or when did he joined as a teacher in the present service. Present service means as a teacher. We are not asking that when this teacher joined this school. We are asking when this teacher became a teacher that particular year. 4 digits year you have to specify. Then we are asking about the highest academic and professional qualification of the teacher. We are also asking classes taught by the teacher. This teacher is teaching in which classes? Primary only, upper primary only, mostly primary, mostly upper primary. Those kind of options are there. Then we are asking main subjects taught by the teacher. 2 main subjects can be there. Either you can specify all subjects, the teacher is teaching all subjects, or suppose the teacher is teaching English, so you have to specify the code for English. Then we are asking days of in-service training received by the teacher in last academic year. How many days the teacher received in-service training?